Up my new office. And that's Kendra.
Haha, I have taken over the voiceover. Come on in, check out our gorgeous sign, get a wave from Taylor and Michael. Here's our waiting area. We don't like people to wait, but at least the space is gorgeous. Here is the first exam room and jump scare, there's me. Here is the living room area that patients can sit to watch YouTube. Here is Alex, our other PA. She's working on something extremely important. Here's our conference room where we meet to discuss patients and optimization efforts. Here is Adrian, our real boss. Here is Dr. Kim's awesome office. He may or may not have slept on that bed. Lots of great decor from patients and multiple lights and a professional microphone for an awesome Zoom appointment. Here is our bathroom with some awesome art. Also a picture of him and I. Not sure why he's hiding it in the bathroom. Kind of hurtful. Here is another exam room with a TV for looking at imaging together with patients. Here is the boiler room of the office where all of our girls are working together. Here is the secret back door that Dr. Kim sneaks through so we don't know he's late. And here is the reception area again. Get another awesome look at our sign and another wave from Taylor and Michael. Thank you so much for stopping by.